In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files in Google Drive and share files link. We will start from the Google Drive homepage, save a file into a specific folder, and then grab a shareable link so you can send it to others quickly. Open your browser and go to Google Drive. After you sign in, you'll see the home view. From here, head to My Drive. This is your main storage area where all your folders and files live. If you already have a folder prepared for this upload, open it now. In my case, I'm opening a folder called My Folder, so the file goes exactly where I want it. Inside the folder, look to the upper left and choose the New button. From the menu, pick File Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the file you want to save, click its name to select it, and confirm to upload. You'll notice a small progress window in the lower right as Drive uploads the file. Wait for it to finish so the file appears in the folder. If you ever clicked away, you can return to My Drive and back into your folder to see the newly added file. Now select the file so it's highlighted. With the file selected, open the three dots menu labeled More Actions. Choose Share. The sharing window appears with the file's current access settings. For what we're doing here, simply copy the link by clicking Copy Link. This places the link on your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, chat, or document. Then click Done to close the sharing window. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth. The link you copy respects the file's existing permissions, so only people who already have access will be able to open it. If someone tells you they can't open the file, check the sharing settings later from the same share menu. Also, if you uploaded the file to the wrong place, you can select it in My Drive and move it into the correct folder. That's it. You went to Google Drive, opened My Drive and your folder, uploaded a file with New and File Upload, selected the file, opened More Actions, chose Share, copied the link, and finished by clicking Done. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a refresher.